Hey everyone, in today's JavaScript tutorial, we're tackling something from discrete mathematics, the following factorial. Now this might sound a little complex at first, but it's just a way to multiply a number by decreasing integers for a certain number of steps. It's also used in permutations, advanced algebra, and even some statistics. We write a function that takes two inputs, n and k, and returns the kth falling factorial of n. Let's break it down together. Here's what we're aiming for. The falling factorial of a number n to the depth of k just multiplies n with n minus 1, then n minus 2, and so on, until we've done it k times. So, if n is 10 and k is 2, we multiply 10 by 9, which gives us 90. Simple concept, but easy to get wrong if you don't check for edge cases like when k is greater than n. Now, let's look at the code that brings this to life. Let's break the code down. We start by calculating where the loop should begin. I is equal to n minus k plus 1, and we initialize our result variable r to 1. We then check for edge cases where n should be positive and k should not be greater than n. Inside the loop, we multiply r by each decreasing value of n until we hit the original number. It is compact, clean, and handles the logic without needing arrays or recursion. Here's how it flows. First, we validate the inputs to make sure the math will work. Then, we start our loop from the right number, n minus k plus 1, and multiply our way up to n. This approach makes sure we get exactly k terms in terms of the product. At the end, we return the result of all those multiplications. Let's look at a few examples to get a feel for it. Calling following factorial 5 and 3 gives us 5 times 4 times 3, which is 60. Calling it with the depth of 0 gives us 1. This is standard in math since multiplying nothing gives us a neutral value. These examples show how flexible this function is for a variety of cases. The following factorial has a wide range of applications. In permutations, it helps calculate the number of ways you can arrange objects. In statistics, it shows up in advanced moment calculations. And in discrete math and algorithms, it plays a role in formulas involving combinations and sequences. Definitely one to have in your toolkit. To wrap up, we've built a function that calculates the falling factorial of a number, a concept you'll see all over math, logic, and even competitive programming. We've kept the code clean, added error checks, and made sure it handles all edge cases properly. Thanks so much for tuning in. Can't wait to see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.